Hello guys, I'm back with another Vim tutorial video. Today I'm going to talk about how to compile your code, how to compile and execute. Okay, there are a couple of ways to do that. I'm in this empty directory. Let me get inside it and write a simple C++ code. Okay, hello.cpp. Okay, I wrote this simple hello world printing program in C++. Now there are a couple of ways you can do this. You can compile your program and run this. First option is manual option. First of all, what you do is you save your progress and then you run a vertical terminal at the side. It will open up a terminal for you, and here is hello.cpp program. What you do is you invoke the g++ command, you put your file name, you create an object file, and you create an output file. If everything goes correctly, it should output your file name, and now you can run this and you can execute your code. This is the manual method. Another way is Vim provides you with this compiler select option. So here you just select whatever compiler you will be using. For C++, I'll be using the GCC compiler, and what you need to do is and you would have to open your Vim RC, and here is the file. Okay, I have already written in advance, but I will show you what it does. So if my file is with the C extension, I would set the make program to use this command. It is exactly our manual method, but it is here we are just writing in a way that Vim can interpret. Percentage will always carry the current file name, and percentage with left angle bracket tells that the name should be without extension. So basically it's the same thing what we typed earlier, and for C++ it's the same. Now let me quit this and go back to my earlier hello world program, selecting compiler GCC and running make. Let's make it sure our command run. If I list it, there is the hello output file, but that could be from the previous. Let me remove it again and run that command. Okay, let me exit again. I'll run make. Okay, let me check again with this terminal command. There is our output file. So with make I can use this inbuilt make utility to compile the source code. Okay, now another method, I'll show you another method. If you don't want to use the inbuilt compiler option and make command, what you can do is you can I will take you to Vim again. In my RC file I have made another option for you. This line 88, number 88 line, there is this command, autocommand. You can use this autocommand for automatically responding to certain events in Vim. In our case, for simple example, I have choose the file name type cpp. So whenever Vim is opening file name with extension cpp, it will use this option. I have to set the F10 key to save it, open a vertical terminal with this cell parameter, run our previous compiling command. Here you can see this :p is for full path and :r is to truncate the extension. Simple as that. And this $& will combine another command which will run whatever output file was generated, and CR is for enter, pressing enter. Now let me go back to my cpp command, and I'll make some changes here. Okay, I will add hello world and words. Let me save this. Okay, I don't even need to save this. I have set the F10 key to do this, so let me again, I'll add another exclamation mark without saving. I'll press F10, and since we have set our F10 key to perform certain job for us, which we saw it printed in our vertical terminal at the left hand side. This way we can compile and execute our code, but this would not always be favorable for us, or we could use more sophisticated technique. Nothing can beat bash script. So what we can do is write our own bash script. Okay, so without further ado, let me write a bash script real quick. I'll name this run.assets, and our shebang line for the bash is bin/bash. Okay, first of all we need to save and quit vim program, because we should do this in order to save the current progress before running our bash script. All right, so I will give this a message. Saving and quitting. Okay, saving and quitting. Okay, let me add backline character. If I add backline character, I need to give this E option as well. Now I can do save and I can do quit. Okay, this particular code will save our current progress. Now we need to check for the arguments. Okay, while running our script, we should provide the file name as an argument for the script. So check for argument. Check for file name as argument in the comment section. If let's open up argument. Whatever argument you have sent to Vim will always reside in the variable hash. It is similar to argument count in C, where it will take the count of command line arguments you provide. In bash, argument count will reside in this variable. So if it is equal to 0, that means nothing was provided in argument. In that case, what we'll do, we will echo no arguments or file found. Okay, no arguments or file found. Let me add this exit and exiting. Oh, again I forgot this line. Okay, now in that case we exit with 1 and we close our if condition. This will check if file name is provided or not. Next, in case file name is provided, we will save the file name in a file name variable, and we will extract that from another variable. Whatever file arguments are sent from the command line, it would be saved in this format. First argument $1, second argument $2, and it goes on. So our file name is saved in $1. I will also save the extension to check whatever type of extension is there. Okay, for that I would use the same file name with bash parameter expansion to only save. Wait a minute, is this correct? Okay, yes, to only save extension, file extension. All right, now we have file name, we have file extension. Now we'll just switch case extension. Okay, let's switch case extension. Switch case extension in first case. Our extension, if extension is .c, that means if it is C program, we would echo program is C. Program is C. Okay, we'll echo compiling C program. And okay, so in that case, let me give this E for interpreting new line character as well, and we will be doing compiling C program, and we can give the file name to let it know that this is our file name. Okay, let me copy this in a certain register and ZYW. Okay, now we can run our gcc command for this file name. Let me oh wait, I need to check for successful compilation as well. Okay, so if gcc file name object let me do this. Okay, what is the $sign file name, and here we are just truncating our extension. And here we're just truncating our extension, so for that this will do just fine, and we'll close this. Okay, let me save this real quick in another register so that it might come in handy later on. Okay, let me save this in X. Okay, let me get to the end of the line, and then we echo with this extension compilation successful. Shouldn't I compile? Compile successfully, and we can paste our other file name. If compilation failed, we can write compile. Okay, compilation. Okay, let me add a little bit of compilation successful, and I can add with a new line output file. I can give this, I could give this this path name. Okay, now if compilation failed, I can give error compilation failed. Compilation failed. I can give error compilation failed, and I can close this condition check, and I can also close this switch case. Next, if it is cpp extension, I don't need to write everything. I will just copy Y4J. Okay, and I will simply paste. Now what happened here? Okay. Oh, I made a mistake here. Wait, I forgot to closing quotation there. Now compiling, I'll simply do compiling C++ program with the file name, and do I need to? Okay, I need to change here. Plus compile successfully, output file name equal error compilation failed, and I can close this. Again, I made the same mistake. Okay, now I can close this, and I can also even check for Python file. In case of Python, I will simply be echoing running Python file. Okay, running Python file. I could give the same name from my register, and I can invoke the command Python. And do I need to do anything? No, I just need to simply give the file name and close this case as well. And in default case, I can echo. Oh, what did I do wrong again? I forgot here. Okay, default case, I can echo file extension not supported or not found. I can give this, and I can end it. Okay, now let's close our case with backward. ESSC. Case spelled backward will close our switch case statement. This is the bash script. Let me save it. Did I save it? Okay, now let me see. Okay, we have run our assets. Now if I let me remove this hello first, and I can check this. Okay, there is there are two files. Now if I run my bash and if I put argument hello.cpp, oh, did you see that? First saving and quitting was necessary if in case your game is open somewhere, and whatever we programmed it compiles successfully. Let me see. There is our hello file. If I run, it can easily successfully compile. Creating a bash script is more better way to compile your code, even if you are in Vim, or you can just like you can just use this number 90 command, where you would map your F9 key, which will open vertical terminal and with the cell option, and it will run your bash script with your current file and with the current file path. In this case, let me quit this. Okay. I will go to my. Okay, let me first see. Let me remove this hello world. Let me remove this hello output, and I will open. Okay, now I don't even need to go to terminal and type bash. I have already remapped my key to F9. So when I press F9, no, what happened? Oh, sorry, I forgot. Okay, let me. I think I misspelled. I misspelled this word. Let me save it, and let me go to Vim. So with this new key mapping, so when I type F9, it just compiled my code successfully. Okay, let me quit this. Let me open the terminal real quick, and there is this hello. Another powerful way of compiling and executing your code in Vim. Let me add another one. Let me add another line. And again run the same program with F9. Compile. Let me open terminal. Ls. Let me run hello. This way we can use more powerful bash script to embed in our Vim to make the compiling and execution of code faster. So you might be wondering, what if in case of Python file? I'll show you that as well. Okay, let me create a Python hello world program hello.py. Okay, so let me print this, print hello. Okay, Python, there is nothing in Python. So if I press F9, running Python, and Python was nothing to compile in Python, it was just interpreting the line. In this way, you can make even more powerful customizations. So if I add another line, say I want to print till 20, print I can simply press F9 and my bash script is running instantly. So by now you have understood that you can use either the Vim inbuilt compiler option with make utility, or you can directly use the manual method by invoking terminal, or use autocmd option to save and run your file instantly, or you can use more powerful option, that is obviously bash script, and you can map into one of your Vim keys as per your preference and make your coding more efficient using Vim. Okay, for now that's it. I will see you in next video, guys. Have a nice day, have fun. Vim is all the way. Okay guys, see you, bye bye, thanks.